Hello everyone out there. This is Smita here and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Fun Learning with Smita. In today's tutorial video, I am going to teach you how to create word search games. I want to keep this video really short and sweet, so without wasting much time, let's get started. The first step would be to open your Google tab and type WordBall. I've already taught you all how to make use of this application in my all previous videos. So I won't really waste time explaining the procedure to you and directly come to the point. So right now we are going to create the word search game. So I'll double click on the word search. Once I'm done with this is how your screen will look like. I'll give a title to my game. So I've kept it as word search game. That is simple and sweet. Instruction I would like to give, for example, it's given over here. Words are hidden in a letter grid. Find them as fast as you can. So I'll just rewrite it again. Words are hidden in the grid. Find them as fast as you can. That is the instruction which I would like to give. There are two options given over here, whether you want it with clues or without clues. So I want it to be simple like how we used to play in our childhood days, that is no clues. And in case you want to give with clues, then you get two columns like this. A minimum of 3 flashcards and a maximum of 25 flashcards can be used in this free version of word search game. So I'll just write some 5, I would say, verbs, because I would like to take a revision lesson of verbs. So I've already written some verbs over here, like you can see on the screen: running, climbing, eating, reading, and writing. There is no option of adding images. So it's going to be a word search game. So you won't be able to put any pictorial aspect in this particular game. It's going to be only words and alphabets everywhere. So these are 5 verbs which I have written and I'm done. So I'll click on the option done and it saves my activity. Now let's see the final output, how it looks like. So this I have created with the idea of carrying out a revision of verbs, where I would ask my students to identify all the verbs in a particular maze. So let me check out the various setting options which are given. So as you scroll down, you can see there is a timer given. So I'll just give 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes according to the level of the students. Then there are various other options, whether you want them to know the answers at the end of the game, yes or no. And then there are various other difficulty levels, how you want the alphabets or the words to be placed in the grid. There are various themes like you can see on the screen right now. So this one is the primary. This is how the neon one looks like. The blackboard one. Okay, it's taking pretty much time. So I'll just stick to one, that is the midnight one, and I'll just maximize the screen and I will start playing the game. So here I'm on the left hand corner, you can see the timer has started. I'll have to double click on the alphabet and the word is here. Next, double click. Done. Second word. Third word, let me just search. Okay. Fourth word. And one last word. And it's done. So once I'm done with the game, here are my scores and the time which I've taken. If in case you want to show the answers to all your students, you can click on the show answers option and you get it. So wasn't this a very easy tutorial as to how you can make word search game? So in case you liked it, do like my video, do share it with all your educators so that they can make use of this tutorial video to create such interesting games for your lesson. So hope to see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.